class 3 students. I hope you all are absolutely good and safe at your places. So yes, welcome back to our EVS class. As you all know, we were doing chapter number 19, means of communication, and yes, we learn about so many types of means of communication. Like I told you about the postal system, and I told you about courier services, right? And I told you about the telegram. We read about telephone, cellular phones. Also, we read about fax machine. What is the fax? And yes, and also we learn about email, right? So I told you about these types of means of communication, and I hope it is clear to all of you. So postal system, which is the very cheapest mode of communication, and we can just send the letter, and that journey of letter we had read how letter reach their destination. Then what things are required to send the letter, like the name of the person, the address, and the pin code is a very much required, right? And what is the pin code? Pin code is the postal index number, which is very required. And then one more thing is important for sending that are the affixed stamps, right? So yes, this was about the postal system. Then if I am talking about courier services, these are the services through which we can send the urgent letters, because in courier service we can send letters to their destination within 1 or 2 days, right? Then if I'm talking about the telegram is the if we want to send our message within few hours, we can use we can take the help of telegram method. And then telephone, we can call anybody and we can talk with them. Cellular phone are the phones which are wireless, they don't have any wire, and we are using those cellular phones right now even. Then fax is also type of like telephone. We are just talking on the telephone, and other side it is printing on by the fax machine and will send it to the another person. Then emails are also like it requires internet connection, and we can send and receive text messages, photographs, and recorded music, and even video clips, etc. So these are some means of communication. So today what we are going to do, we will be doing book work of this chapter, and then in next session we will be doing, so that is not book work, right? So let's start with the book work. Everyone open their book, and the page number I am mentioning here, that is 109 page number. On the top of this page number, 2 MCQs are given. First of all, we will be doing that. 2 MCQs are given. So let's do first MCQ, that is courier mail service is called. What do we call a courier mail service? Yes, options are given: speed post, fax, or email. So what do we call a courier mail service? We call it as a speed post also. So the option number A is correct, that is speed post. So you can put tick on the option number A. Understand? You can put tick on option number A, that is speed post. Then next is a telephone that doesn't have wires. Which telephone doesn't have wires? We are using that right now. Those are the mobile phones, or we can say cellular phones, right? It can be, we can call them cellular phones or also mobile phones. So option number A is again correct. Then underneath this, Two more MCQs are given, which is section number A. Let's do it. I think it is not visible to you. Yeah. So, first MCQ is the cheapest means of communication. We read just now. Which is the cheapest means of communication? Postal system, fax or telephone? So, the postal system is the cheapest means of communication. Option number A is again correct. Then second is the pin code has dash digits. Pin code में कितने digit होते हैं? So let's revise our Sirsa pin code, that is 125055. Right? So this is the pin code of Sirsa. How many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So total 6 digits number. Right? So the pin code has dash digits, 6 digits. So B option is correct. That is 6. Underneath these Phillips are given. So let's do that. First Phillip is, we drop our letters into a dash. Where do we drop our letters? In every community there are letter box. So we drop our letters into letter box. Right? Then second is, so post office provides a courier mail service called dash. Again the same answer, that is speed post. Done? Speed post. Then we can talk and send text dash over cellular phones. Cellular phones के through हम क्या send कर सकते हैं? That is the text messages. Right? Messages and over cellular phones. Then the fourth is, emails are sent through dash. Emails को कैसे send किया जाता है? Emails are sent through mobile phone and computer. We can send them by mobile phones and computers. Right? So this you all have to write. Then circle the odd ones are given. Sorry, 3 circle the odd ones are given. This you will be doing by yourself because you are doing it from very long. और आपको पता चल गया होगा कि odd one out कैसे देखते हैं. Right? Then 3 pictures are given. You have to see the picture and you have to write the name of that picture. And then again practice section number B. 2 MCQs are given again. We will be doing that. Now section number B. On page number that is 110. First MCQ is, which of the following is a wireless instrument? Yes, all of us know that wireless instrument is C option, that is cellular phone, which is a wireless instrument. Right? Then next, emails are sent through dash. Now options are given to us, letters, parcels और computers. अभी हमने यहाँ किया mobile phones and computers. अगर आपके पास option में mobile phones आता है, that also will be correct. अगर computers आता है, that also will be correct. So again C option is correct, that is computers. Okay. So that is all for today, and in the next class we will be doing its question answers and keywords. So yes, that is all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye all and take care.